2019 GMC Denali 6.2 liter V8 beast of a truck. Got stock converters there and there. Then it wires into a single and 3.5 inch pipe. We continued it because we can only bend 3 inch, so you see it tapered down from the factory. 3 inch, and then we put a 3 inch in, 3 inch out. FLOWMASTER FX, part number 71419. If you guys want it, there'll be a link in the description. Then it wires back out into duals, and it's got dual resonators, one here and one here, and tips built into the back bumper, right there and right there. There's a muffler we took off, this massive thing, and it's got baffles on it there and there. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. It came out really nice. Hope you guys like it. There it is, FlowFX. GMC Denali. Oh, much better.
Oh, hell yeah.
Like it? All right. I don't know what's going on with my sound decibel thing. It's not doing anything. Usually goes higher. I don't know. Go ahead, back it up.
Dude, that sounds awesome.
You like it? It's not too loud, not too quiet.
That's exactly what I wanted.
And what tones it down is those resonators in the back. You see those resonators? The bullet looking things?
Love it.
Nice. Let you guys hear on the inside. (2019) GMC Denali 6.2 liter beast of a truck.